Hello friends, welcome to Spartans GRE. In this video, we'll be discussing two questions that were posted in one of the Spartans GRE WhatsApp groups. So in yesterday's video, we have already discussed two questions, and here we will be discussing two more questions. So before watching this video, I suggest you watch averages video from averages playlist. So because there you will get an idea about how to think in averages questions, how to look at an average question, because every topic in arithmetic is just a game of language. Nothing, you need not use any formula in entire arithmetic, not even in simple interest, compound interest. Just the thing is you have to understand the language. Here I'll tell you how to understand an averages question. So first of all, if I say in a class there is a person, there is a boy, he has 100 chocolates with him. There is one more boy, he has 50 chocolates with him. One more boy who has 80 chocolates with him. And one more boy is having 20 chocolates with him. If I ask you to find the average number of chocolates for these four boys, what you will do, you will sum by, you have a formula, average is equal to total sum by number of observations. But you need not mug up any formula, just understand the concept of averages here. Average is total sum by observations, but if you understand the meaning of it, if you decode the meaning of it, you will understand what exactly is averages. Here what is the sum? It is 150 plus 100, 250, 250 by and one more person I will take, suppose, to make it easy. Fifth person is there, he has 0 chocolates with him. He has 0 chocolates with him. Then you will put by 5, it will be 50 chocolates. So average number of chocolates in this out of these 5 boys is, for these 5 boys will be 50. So the way to interpret this question is, average says that each and every person or each and every observation has the same value as that of average. So what you will do, average means you will take from the people who are having excess than average and give it to the people who are having less than the average. That's what you mean by average. So what I will do here, for this out of these 5 people, I solved it and I got average 50. So I will just give you the meaning here. This is line 50, okay. So what you will do here is, this extra is there, right, 50. This extra 50 and this extra how much? 30. This is extra 50 and this is extra 30. These two things you will give to these people who are having in deficit. How much deficit he has? He has 20. That means there is a deficit of 30. This value goes here. So he will get 50 now. So you can erase this one. Next, this here 50 is there. He is already having a deficit of 50. So this extra part you will keep it here. So our final figure will be 50, 50, 50 like this, right? So all are having 50 chocolates with them. That is the concept of averages. Average is nothing but we'll take from persons with excess value and give it to persons with deficit value and make all these people equal. Right? That is called average. Now apply the concept here. There is an average of 3 distinct integers is 37. He said distinct integers. Okay. So average of 3 integers is 37. That means what is our assumption? Each and every number is 37. That will be our basic assumption, because he said average of 3 distinct integers is 37. Now, but in reality, what is happening? This is assumption. This is reality. In reality, the least integer is 18. And he is asking what is the highest values possible here. Now, assumption is 37, reality is 18. So how much it is less? It is minus 19, less than the assumption value, right? This is minus 19. And to get this value as more, maximum value, what you should do? Here you should have minimum value. Then only this will become maximum. So can I put 0 here? I cannot put 0. Why? Because he said minimum itself is 18. So your least number possible here will be 19. Now assumption value is 37. In reality 19. So what is the deficit here? Minus 18. So for these two people, for these two numbers, the deficit is minus 37. Right? Now here I will have some number. Right? So that number should, this negative should be, this is a deficit, right? So the number whichever I am having putting here, that should be 37, which is average, plus it should have some excess so that it will fill the deficit. How much excess it should have? It should have an excess which is equal to deficit. So you will put plus 37 here. That means 74. So your bigger number will be 74. That is a maximum possible number. Out of this 74, you can take out this 37 and give it to the deficit, and so that you will fill the gap. So all the three numbers will be equal. That's it. So you got one number. 74 is correct. So one number is 18, another number is 19, another number is 74. Now, this number is fixed anyway, least number. This number cannot go below 18 because it's already given in question that 18 is the least number. Now here, if I take this as 20, this will be 73. If I take this as 21, this will be 72, and so on. Correct? Now, you have to check what are the possible numbers here. What are the possible numbers here? What is the sum of these two numbers? It will be 93. If I divide this 93 equally, like suppose 93 by 2, it will be 46, and one more number will be 46 and 47. So one number can be 46, another number can be 47, right? So if you make them equal, that is, this will be the least possible number. Understood? The highest possible number is 74, and this will be the least possible number. Why? Because when you will get highest here, you will get highest here when the least possible number is given here. Now, when you will get least possible number here? When you have highest value given here. If you take this one as 47, obviously this number will be 46. Then your bigger number will be 47, not 46, right? So what are the possible numbers? 18, and here maximum will be 74 when it is 19 here, and 18. Your bigger number will be 47 when it is 46 here. Understood? If you take this as 48, then this will be 45, right? So your possible maximum number will be 74, and boundary case, another boundary case would be 47. So answers from 74 to 47 will be correct, right? So 74 correct, and this is wrong because edge case itself is 47. Number cannot go below 47. So it should be numbers between 47 to 74. So all these are possible answers, right? This is again a conceptual question. So let's move on to our next question. In the figure P and Q, the centers are P and Q, and the radius is let this be 3 and let this be 4. They are asking, these are the tangent, this is the tangent, and A, B are the points on the common tangent. This is called direct common tangent. I'll tell you a concept here, but before that, what is the question? They're asking the value of AB and PQ, which is greater. That's what they're asking, right? Now, by looking, we cannot directly answer this question. You have to know some concept. If you have two circles like this, if you draw a tangent, which is tangent, this is called direct common tangent when both the circles are on the same side of the tangent. If you have two circles like this and you draw a tangent like this, okay, this is called transverse common tangent because circles are on either side of the tangent. This side and this side. So both are opposite. So one is transverse common tangent, one is direct common. So direct common tangent, another is transverse common tangent. So we have two kinds of tangents. I'll give you a formula here. For direct common tangent, the distance for direct common tangent, the length AB, this one, if it is a direct common tangent, this length of the tangent. Length of the tangent means it should have some endpoints as well, okay? So this length will be root of d square minus r1 minus r2 whole square. If I take two circles like this and I'll draw one transverse common tangent. This is a transverse common tangent. Now what is the length of this transverse common tangent? The length of AB till here will be, transverse common tangent will be root of d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. You memorize these two formulas. Now I will erase this. Now The question is about direct common tangent now. What is the length of AB? AB will be root of D square. What is D? D is nothing but the distance between the centers. D is nothing but distance between centers. This is one center and this is one center. Distance between centers of the circle. So here this is 4 and this is 3. So distance will be 7. So 7 square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. So radius will be 4 minus 3 whole square. So this will be root 48. So AB is root 48 and they are comparing with PQ. PQ, you know, this will be 7, directly 7. 7 is nothing but root 49. So obviously PQ will be greater than AB. So your answer is B in this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll meet with our next set of questions. Thank you.